Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about speaking. The topic is about food and restaurant. The first video is about describing favorite restaurant. The second one is about taking orders. Enjoy!
Hi friends! Today I'm going to describe my favorite restaurant. The name is Dewi Kayangan, or it means goddess in English. Such a unique name, right? Okay, this restaurant offers extensive menus, but my favorite is fried fish. It's really good. It is served with many types of sambal. And what makes me like this restaurant even more is because this restaurant reminds me of my grandma's house. The interior is full of Japanese vibes. That is why I really like being there.
Good morning. May I take your order?
Hi, good morning. One sandwich, please.
Yes, what topping do you want?
Please give me the original one with cheese and tomato.
Okay, one cheese tomato sandwich. For here or for to go?
For to go.
All right, anything else?
Oh. And one hot choco, please.
Right, one cheese tomato sandwich and one hot choco. It's $4.
Okay, here it is.
Thanks. Please wait a minute. And I will call you once it is ready.
Okay, thanks.